Hello and welcome to our video on how to set realistic trading goals for your trading account. Setting trading goals is an important step for any trader, as it helps to focus their efforts and measure their progress. But before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to Samco Securities and hit the bell icon, so that you never miss an update from us. Step 1. Determine your risk appetite. To set realistic trading goals, assess your risk appetite based on financial situation, experience, and personal preferences. Step 2. Define your trading strategy. To set realistic trading goals, define a strategy aligned with your risk appetite. Consider assets, time frames, and indicators for effective decision making. Step 3. Set specific and measurable goals. Set specific and measurable trading goals to track progress effectively. Avoid vague goals like make money or beat the market. Instead, aim for specific targets like 10% return on investment in 6 months for better strategy adjustment and progress tracking. Step 4. Establish realistic time frames. The fourth step is to set realistic trading goals, set achievable time frames, and avoid unrealistic deadlines that could lead to frustration. Be honest about how long it will take to achieve your goals. Step 5. Monitor your progress. The last step for realistic trading goals is monitoring progress by reviewing trades and evaluating if goals are being met. Adjust the strategy if needed to stay on track. To achieve success in trading, follow these steps: determine risk appetite, define strategy, set specific goals, establish realistic time frames, and monitor progress. Also, don't forget to open a Demat account with Samco today and initiate your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.
From Samco, the new-gen mobile trading platform. Ace the Index.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.